Good morning. Good morning. A little bit of a buzzer beater here. Kind of lagging this morning, not going to lie. I mean, we should rip the open really fast. I'm totally kidding. Oh, there goes Lawrence. Let me present so you guys are like, dude, what's up with this guy? Sorry. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 freaking second.
I'm back. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. There he is. How did you have technical difficulties?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. It does this every day.
It's
Religiously. I'm short biased today.
short bias. Okay. I don't know shit about fuck.
Me neither.
So
That was
no,
I took an educated guess just now.
took an educated guess. Short right away. What's good? Good morning, guys. Good morning. A little late start, kind of getting my chart set up and stuff here. Cup trading. Link them all up. I'd like to not have my first trade be red today. How about that? That sounds good, huh?
Yeah, it does. It does
Sounds
sound
pretty
good.
nice.
Yeah.
2 red days in a row. Let's not make it 3. Please, let's not do that. Let's not do that.
You know what you need to do, right?
Walk out now and don't trade at all.
No.
What, full
not
port?
really. No, not full port. You know what instrument you need to trade today.
NQ. Yeah. Shut it.
I'm just letting you know.
All right, I'll trade NQ.
Thank you.
I
And
love
watch what
this
happens. The thing is, watch what happens, though. Watch what happens.
All right. We do have the classic drift higher scenario than FOMC today. It could definitely spark a move down.
Yeah,
Makes
I'm
sense,
short biased.
but
Short bias.
I don't know. You never know, man. Like that could be what everyone's thinking. It's like, oh, we're due for a pullback, and they just keep ripping the face off. Ripping the face off. Good morning, chat. Rusty Shadow, Drew, Brian, Taylor. Good morning. Good
What up, though?
morning.
What
Good
up, though?
freaking morning. God, I just feel so scattered right now.
Might you woke up late?
No, I kind of just had I did a little bit cardio longer than I thought of. I was like, oh shit, it's been like over 30 minutes. I normally do like 20 to 25. So with the time I wake up and stuff, it just made it a little tricky. But what I got today, oh, Jay's up in here finally. Good morning, Jay. Jay, no FOMC today. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. See, I like this YM setup. I like this. Lawrence, I'm trying to get Lawrence all aggravated and heated.
No, go ahead. Go ahead and take your third red.
Fuck
go
you.
Go ahead.
Third red. I did trade Asia last night on my Take Profit Pro account.
Mm-hmm.
And I made $2,700. Daily payouts, bro.
Did you take it out?
Yeah. Well, I have to request it end of the day, but I'm not gonna risk that, lose that. No way.
Yeah.
So, but after that payout, that brings pretty neat. This is like one of my best months trading futures I think I've ever had. After that payout, $17,204 in payouts this month.
Beautiful.
Pretty sick. Pretty stoked on
Almost
that.
20 bands.
Almost 20 bands and payouts in 1 month. We love that.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
Yes, sir.
And I think it only blew. Honestly, I think it only blew one account, one Take Profit Trader account this month.
Nice.
So expense wise, I blew one and then I bought a reset. So
how much is the reset?
Dude, it's $1,500.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's not worth it, but that was that time I had, like, I never do it. I used to do it in the past, dude, before they had like instant funded stuff. And I just I was like, I just saw the setup that day and I was like, this is worth the risk right now. I'm willing to do it. But normally it's never worth it. Never. Really nice hammer here on NQ. Right at volume point of control, pinning higher. So I'm going to go over what I'm watching real quick. I'll pull this up. Pull it up. Okay. Get your ass out of there. All right. So today, FOMC day, everyone. Number one, if you never traded FOMC, be careful. It's notorious for fucking you over. It's
If you
very,
never
very volatile.
trade it now.
Mm-hmm. So today, I will not be around for FOMC. I got my swings open, big picture. Hopefully they play out. But today, we had inverted hammer yesterday. Finally, the first bar indicating some weakness since down here, right? This is the first one where we like pinned this range, came down, we still held it, push higher, retest. Structurally speaking, this just keeps retesting these ranges and going, right? So it's like, oops, it's just doing the thing. So as of now, it's an inside bar. Obviously, we're just opening inside, not too much. Let's go top down. 4 hour. Like I said, we retested the top of this range. Like everything's structured, guys, right? When you start to look at this stuff, like you start to see it, right? Look at all resistance, 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 resistance. Finally break out of it. Try to we basically retest once here, retest again here. Now, see, this actually kind of looks decent here because we just pinned below this, held this support. This theoretically could be a stop here if you wanted to be ballsy with it. So this actually doesn't look too bad. I kind of like this thesis to go back up here towards 577s. So we are opening at near-term volume point of control as well, which is pretty nice. Looks decent, which is this 480, 45 area. And we just put in the big hammer. This looks good to the upside to me right now. I'm not fucking doing it today. I'm waiting a full 20 minutes. I'm not getting involved in fuckery. But this looks decent. I wanted to see this hold. I got 3 areas. First one is weekly open, which is 525s, I think. Roughly, yeah, 525s. So on the 5 minute, back to it. It's all to this, right? It's literally right here, resistance wise. This is the weekly open. So we got to get above this, maybe pull back and hold it, and then go. And we could probably go for 600s. I don't know, maybe eventually wipe this if we're strong enough. That probably might take FOMC. You guys got to remember, we've been in these really tight, small ranges where you just haven't really had big extended moves. So it's like taking the smaller moves is kind of what it's about right now and what we're trying to focus on. So reference point wise, for a change of character, change of structure, get back above 525, hold it, continue higher. That looks good. Also have prior day low, right? Where we like swept, came into prior day low here. This 423 will be really important as well. And like I said, we're opening right at near-term volume point of control. It's dead set in the middle. It's kind of a toss-up. So, and just being this close to the open, this is what it is. So game plan wise, if we can get back above 520 and hold, then I'm going to look for, 580s into 600s. That's like a decent long to me. That makes sense. If we fail this near-term volume point of control and we come back down here into 420s, it's hard because that like wants us to come back down into this range, but maybe we pin into this range in 400, then reclaim it. It's kind of tricky, right? So we're kind of in this like 100 points of no man's land, honestly, which is just kind of tricky. So it's going to be quicker moves today, probably quicker scalps for me personally. And then we just got to see how these levels react. So right here, dead set in the middle. I know we have near-term volume point of control, but it's too much of a toss-up for me. It's too close to the open. So I'm going to wait till we get more information, either test up here or test down into here and see what we can get. So within this 100 points, that's my game plan. That's what I got going on. Other than that, I'm not looking at YM and RTY because Lawrence is just going to get mad, and it has kind of fucked me over 2 days in a row. So I'm going to listen to him today. 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 Good morning, future millionaires from Fit. What's good, dude? How do you know I'm already not a millionaire? Hint, I'm not, but we will get there. Actually, I will say I had a record month this month personally as an entrepreneur. Great month as a trader, trading income, like I said, $17,000. But entrepreneur overall, I had a record month. And one thing I'm doing, some of you guys probably love this. is I'm treating the people in my life that have supported me throughout the journey from the beginning. So I texted like 5 of my buddies who have been there for me. I remember one of my buddies, dude. One point I was in such like bad spot. I literally went to breakfast with him and I was like, I need $10,000, dude. I'm in a bind. I like have no money. I'm trying to make this trading thing work. And you know what he asked me?
Hmm.
He literally pulled out his phone and he goes, okay, what's your wire information? No questions, not when am I going to get paid back, not none of this. He goes, dude, I believe in you. I know you'll make it. Just a matter of time. He's like, I see all the work you put in. And I'm like, bro, you're going to make me fucking cry. Like it's shit
Yeah.
like that. It's like people that
Yeah.
support you, dude, which like
Mhm.
it's all a man wants in the journey. Right. And so I had a milestone month. I'm taking my buddies out to dinner on Friday and I'm stoked for that. Really grateful. So
That's nice of you.
it's pretty sick.
That's nice of you.
What's good, chat? Stock market scientist. We're all millionaires in our minds as soon as we start the journey. Dude, I fucking love that, man. Fire me up on the FOMC Wednesday, okay? Fire me up, man. Fit, you're the fucking G. All right, well, also help me become a millionaire. Everyone use code STRONG. Please check out Top One Futures.
You're stupid.
Where are you going to dinner? Dude, honestly, actually, it's unfortunately not a really fancy spot. But part of it is because a lot of my buddies are just like busy with this shit and like don't have time to go like a fucking nice ass 3-hour dinner. And I just finished my cut, so I want like junk food kind of. So honestly, we're ripping fucking BJ's. And I don't know if you know what BJ's is, people on the East Coast, but on the West Coast, it's kind of like
we got BJ's.
You know BJ's? Okay, yeah. You know, they got the bazookies and shit, but
yeah.
I'll get some shots of Class A while we're there. You know, they're gonna be like, oh fuck, this guy wants Class A. Let's dust off the bottle. No one's grabbed that in a minute. But yeah, you know, it's just the gesture of it. I'll do a super nice dinner eventually. But I'm so excited to have a fucking burger and a bazooki and like, oh dude. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fucking great. Yo, I love this. We had BJ's after my fiance's bodybuilding comp 3 weeks ago. It was decent. Yeah, it's decent. It's like, again, especially if you've been cutting and eating, you know, nothing but fucking low carbs and a bunch of healthy stuff. I'm like, dude, I can't wait to go rip a big ass burger, bazooki, some beers, fucking shots of Class A. It's gonna be dank. So, be good.
We're good.
We're good. How are you, Lawrence?
I'm good. I'm thinking about taking this long.
Yeah, I just retested VPOC. I'm not against that. I like this right here. You can probably put your stop at 70s. But you got to be careful this 525s.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Send it. I like it. Looks hella decent. It's holding we're holding VWAP really well on New York. I wonder if we can get one more pin lower though, and not. I wonder if this is gonna be actual 450. Hella decent.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go for that. Just long real quick, see if we can get something going.
Okay, I just threw you up on the big screen. 2 sideways for me right now. Fit says thinking long. Yeah, the long looks decent. I mean, this 5-minute bar now is starting to engulf this. This looks pretty good. I don't know. I'm just trying to be extra cautious today.
Understand.
You know, draw feel. Part of me wants to take this RTY
this is kind of a risky long to me, but I mean the setup.
You gotta be careful of 525. That's just don't be surprised when we get there and potentially reject. Potentially. I'm just calling out levels as I see them. Where's your stop on this?
475s.
Okay. It's not terrible. I like it. Nice push here in the 525s. Right off the old VWAP machine. Real nice push.
All right, let's see what we get here.
Here we go. Okay, here's the extendo. Nice. Nice push. Real nice push. Really clean.
Mm-hmm.
I might attempt this short. You're going to hate me. Trying the short.
Mm-hmm.
Just because we're at the level. We're leveling. Hmm. Pretty healthy rejection
Yeah.
so far. Let's see if it follows through. See if she follows through.
Yeah, screenshot that. Oh, didn't mean to do that.
Oh, shit. Fuck.
Damn.
Oh, shit. Fuck. I need to take some off. That was so aggressive. Holy crap.
Was.
Right into VPOC and VWAP. Are they just going to buy this back up, though?
Probably.
Looks like it, dude. That was some bullshit.
We're about to find out in a second. Looks like they're fighting right now.
Yeah, they're definitely fighting for something. It literally tapped right into VPOC and then bounced right away. And into VWAP. That was just so fast and aggressive. I couldn't even get ready for it.
See what happens here. Looks like they're trying to take control.
I'm trying. Sitting on VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
They're sitting on it pretty good, dude. I think it's gonna hold.
Oh,
There goes RTY
I
and
don't
there goes
know.
YM. I don't know.
Good. It's gonna stop me out here.
Your stop's at what? 70 what?
75. So it's gonna stop me out.
I got my cover. I'm covering the bulk around 81s.
That's probably gonna stop me out here.
Okay, just covered me most. I don't know. We could pin into here and hold. This totally can hold here. Let's see. I might trail the rest of this, dude. Yep. I just covered all of that. I don't like the bounce here.
Mhm.
Up 600.
That's good. I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I probably should just take that win, dude.
Yeah.
Part of my greedy brain is like, I want 1,000. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I think I'm about to get cooked here.
I don't know, dude. This might hold. Let's see. It's right back into support. See if it holds the 470s. What's your top 75?
Yeah, 75, 25.
Hmm.
I'm fighting for it, but I think I'm about to get cooked in a second here. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a really tricky spot. That was a crazy good. Too bad I didn't have my screen up. That was a great short on my end, though. I went with 10 contracts right at the fucking rejection.
Yeah, that was a good short.
Just back into VPOC. It was only 40 points, but pretty solid.
Yeah, I'm cooked here.
Yeah, this is pretty heavy.
Man, that was a pretty good trial. Fuck.
Yeah,
God
we
damn it.
just went against each other. Fuck.
Yeah. Watch that shit return. Go
Take you
back.
out. Yeah, it took you out. Here's where I'm at, gang. Up 592. We just pinned. See, I feel like this might hold here, bro. Right back down into support here. See all this support? Boom, 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 boom. This might hold. You know what, guys? I don't want to give this back. I'm thinking about this. I'm up 600. I literally mentally feel like I'm like, I want to make like 1,000. I lost 800 yesterday. I lost 900 the day before.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like I want more, but I know how mad I'm going to be if I give this up. Like, I just know it. I'm like, the risk of making $300 more versus losing 600 today and going red. I try to think like, what's going to piss me off more, right?
Yeah.
Like, and especially after 2 red days in a row. So this is super early for me, but I'm literally going to lock myself out right now. I'm taking the win. I'm fucking doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I know you guys, dude, boring stream, but I'm sorry. I just like love you guys, but also fuck you guys. I need to do what's good for me. I'm literally gonna lock this out. The one and done. My first trade was green. It hasn't happened in many moons. Up 600. How greedy do I need to be? I got the impulse pushed down and back into exactly what I was looking for. We're gonna take it, guys. Can I get some locks in the chat? Nothing boring about making money from Taylor. Yep, exactly. Thank you for the locks. Give me the locks, guys. Lock it up. Lock it up. We'll still walk through price and hang out with you guys and shoot the shit for a little bit. I don't know. Lawrence, where you at? Are you going to take one more or are you still just sticking to the one?
So this is where I'm at with it. So I'm low key kind of like pissed off because I've been like going back and forth with my trades. Like it's been like on and off kind of deal.
Yeah.
But so I don't know, bro. Like right now I'm still contemplating if I should take one more, if I should just stick to the one deal. So I'm still contemplating.
It is tough. It is tough. How much are you down?
$340.
Okay. If you can get another trade and not risk more than 600 total on the day, I think that's fair. It's up to you though. I know you've been trying to do this one trade thing. So I want to support you with whatever you think is going to be. Let's talk to logical Lawrence. Suck the logical, Lawrence. Okay, let's get out of emotional headspace and let's think. You've been trying to stick to this one trade a day thing. It's been pretty damn good. How do we keep that going? Right? Like, do we want to keep that going, or do we want to risk it for the biscuit on FOMC day before the announcement?
No, I definitely want to keep the one trade a day thing going. It's just I need to what will help me out right now is to and what I'm doing right now is like reevaluating. I want to see if I traded my system properly. You see what I'm
Okay, then
saying?
why don't
As
we just
long
why
as
don't we walk through the charts together? Why don't we just walk through price? You know what I'm saying? Hold on, I've got some fucking crazy notification on my phone. It's freaking out.
I just want to make because for me, I feel like as long as I do my part, I'm okay with the loss.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? As long as I
Yeah.
do my part, I'm
Yeah.
okay with the loss.
Yeah.
If I checked off all the boxes on my system
Mm-hmm.
and my entry was good, all that
Yeah.
was good, then okay, cool. I'm done.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
this is kind of like I need a little bit more time to see what's going on right now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I feel you. I can send it on my live account for the culture.
Okay,
Actually,
but
I did. I just got in right now. RTY long.
RTY long.
Yeah. Let's pull it up. I got in pretty heavy too. 4 contracts, max size I can do. I fucking hate Tick Trader. Ooh, I told you about the new thing they have though now, right?
Yeah, about the whole $500
Yeah.
a day thing.
Let's go. Let me pull this up real quick. Let's see where we're at. Let's see where we're at. This account's so cooked, dude. This is their problem, though. They finally changed this rule. Okay. What is this loss down here? Hold on. Let me look at something real quick. Okay.
Ricky said, "Follow your rules." Yeah.
Hey Lawrence, I trade momentum plays similar to you, but I find that when we are trading with the overnight session in the middle of the prior day range, momentum plays are very challenging. Yeah, that's very true. You ain't wrong on that. You ain't wrong on that at all. Very, very true. Very, very true. Okay. Let's see RTY. All right, guys. Here we go. I'm in this RTY long. It's my live account. This is real money, but it's Tick Traders money, so I don't care. Fuck them. They're whack.
Yeah, they are.
I like how many attempts this is pinning down here and holding a support. So I got long here on this reclaim of VWAP. I like this. I got him way too high, but it is what it is. Just put my stop down here at the low. I'll put it actually below this bar. Risking 1,300. Basically, this account got so cooked because Tick Trader gives you a live account, but they do it in the worst way possible. They go, okay, here's your starting balance. If you get below this, you can't take any payouts. So everyone just tries to full port the account to get back to baseline. And then you do that enough times, like during Asia session or stupid when you don't care about the account and you just fucking kill it. So that's basically what happened to me. This account got so, dude, this account was at 15 grand. I took like fucking, I think 2 payouts from it. And then I just got cooked like so many days in a row, losing like 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000.
Yeah.
And then finally they emailed us 2 days ago and they're like, we noticed that everyone is just trying to full port to get back to the break-even phase on their live accounts. So we're making a rule change. If you make at least $500 in a day, we'll let you pull out up to 50% of it. And so, or up to, I'm sorry, you can pull out up to $500 or 50% of whatever you made on that day, which is cool. It's how it should be. I'm like, I got a fucking live account, but it just feels like a
That's how that
fucking,
should be.
it's
That's
like,
not how that should be. You
well,
should
yeah,
be
you're
able to take
right.
out
You're
however
right.
much you want. This is a
You
live
should.
brokerage account, bro.
You're right. You're right. For sure. For
Fuck
sure.
them.
I know. They fucking suck. So I'm just super not a fan of them. And they just suck, dude. They're just trash. Got a lot of rejections up here, though. This is really hard. This is like dead, just set range trading. Let's go to a bigger picture on this. Let's do some analysis. Wow. Trade of eight's trash, dude. See, this could come down all the way down to here. That's what I don't like. Or we just fucking engulf all this and rip stick it up towards 2,300. If that happens from FOMC, I'll hold this shit through FOMC, dude. And if this never stops me out somehow, 2,300. Let's see, what would that be? That'd be sick. That'd be $7,000. Or it just takes me out and it's super lackluster early on. But I entered at the top of the range. This is terrible. I hate entering up here, but I just wanted to have some fun for you guys. I just honestly don't care about this account. I've literally told you guys, I just don't care. Are you still debating locking out, Lawrence? Are you in purgatory?
It's like I'm looking and I'm just like, damn, bro. I could lock out.
Yeah.
Or I could risk another $300 and possibly just lose 600 when I average 700 per day, which isn't bad.
Yeah. Could. You could. You could.
This looks like a good short.
I know this is getting fucking wrecked right now, dude.
Like this looks like a phenomenal short. Like I really want to short this right now. But you know what?
I think because you're debating so much, you should just.
No, I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna trade. I'm just
Okay.
sitting. I'm just sitting with my emotions right now.
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm not gonna trade.
God bless you, man. God bless you.
It's just ridiculous.
Yeah, I respect you for it, dude. I absolutely.
I'm tired of the tug of war.
Yeah, I know. The back and forth has been kind of challenging, for sure. This is NQ. See, it just keeps pinning into 470. It definitely looks like it's getting weaker, but there's so much support here in this like zone. This could just pop back. This could churn literally between 470 and 520 all day to the announcement. Totally could. This looks awful now.
Yeah, this looks pretty bad, bro.
Yeah.
Like everything though, not just your trade, like everything.
Yeah, everything just looks heavy. But whatever. This PA's ass. Yeah, it is. On MNQ. Yeah, it's terrible.
I'm gonna start trading ES.
I don't think that's going to be better, dude. That's going to be worse. You're going to have a smaller range.
Yeah, but the contracts are worth more.
Yeah, well, the contracts are worth more on NQ if you just buy more. You know? I need Apple to have, I need them just to be like AI, and just rip earnings tomorrow into all-time highs. Some crazy, I want to see, I haven't seen this in a minute. Holy shit, Apple's up 10% after hours. Apple moved 20% in 2 days. That's what I need, dude. Like, that would be so great. My Apple Leaps would fucking so. I looked at it because they can do simulate your return. This is terrible to do, but it's like simulate your return. And my Apple Leaps, if we for some reason push to all-time highs in the next like month or whatever, which would be crazy, but totally possible, I'd make like $50,000, which I would be like, oh fuck,
Yeah,
be salivating over that, dude. I'd be salivating, bro. Absolutely salivating. That'd be nuts. All right, pull back to VWAP here on the old RTY machine. We got VPOC above, which is kind of neat. We got 2269 above. There's probably some stupid ass fair value gap bullshit up here too. Let's go find it for you ICT people that hate your life. Okay. Oh, here it is, dude. Look at this fair value gap right here. Look at pinned right into it already, bro. 30-minute FVG. Here's another one up here in the 77s.
I think you're an undercover ICT, bro.
I like this concept of liquidity. I'm not gonna lie. I like this, dude. Like on RTY, I do like how many times we've just like pinned into here and held support. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna hold this shit all the way through FOMC and see if it can do something. That might be cool. I got my risk set, so assuming it doesn't fucking come down here before then, but 30 minutes, still giving a lot of pins up here. Just not a lot to work with today. See, now we're reclaiming VWAP on NQ. Let's pull this up. Trying to, at least. Pinning up here. See, this is the hard part about these areas, dude. That's why I was like, I told you guys I had like really key levels I'm watching first. Because this 30-second short I took, this was beautiful. If you guys saw, like literally right when this 30-second hammer, this is the first time 30-second in a while has been like really faithful. We literally pinned up into this because we got that really fast push too. Pinned up into here. I got short on the close of this bar, put my stop right here is $200. Then we got this huge jolt down I wasn't ready for. Covered here into 81s. And then as this popped back up here, I just covered the rest because I didn't fucking want to sit through it. So, but this was like a really nice signal bar. Look at this, dude. Right into the level. Overshoots liquidity signal. Boom, pops back down into the range.
That's a sweep right there.
It was a sweep. Yeah, it was a great sweep. This was actually super, super nice. And then of course, this is the hard part about this area, right? You got support, attempted support, reclaimed, top of the range, back down into support. So again, Trey, I think we're gonna just chill in this range for a hot minute. I think it's gonna be really, really tough to figure out where this is actually going. So it's not gonna be an easy one, I don't think. Ooh, RTY is right on the 21 period moving average. Pretty nice.
This price action is ass.
It is ass cheeks. Ass cheeks, dude. How we doing, chat? What's good? What's going on? Y'all quiet. I know we already kind of locked out and not really doing much, but God, Drew, this is just such good advice. Drew's got great technical analysis. I just got to get him to execute a bit more. But Drew crushes it, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you like watch the charts when FOMC comes on just so you can see the volatility?
Oh yeah, I'm a junkie, dude. You kidding me? I can't not watch it. You fucking kidding me? Of course. I can't not watch that shit.
Gotta watch it.
I don't know. When you get like addicted to watching charts, you're just like, because like you have to make sense of it all, but when you start to see, like, you want to see setups, right? And like, oh, we swept here, that would have been a good entry, this or that. Yeah, it's all hindsight, but it's still kind of like sharpening your brain for like what you want to see.
Yeah.
It's just screen time.
Screen time and experience.
I should make a shirt that says that. Screen time and experience.
Pretty cool.
Screen time and experience. How's IWM look? Friday and Monday are important also. SPY 0 DT full port during full port during FOMC. I will literally kick you off the team if you do that, Jay.
So I will literally give you the boot.
Oh God. Jay is the longest standing one-on-one client.
Really?
In strong trading. He's been with me, I think, over a year. Well over a year now. Yeah.
Sure.
Jay's the man. He's taken quite a bit of payouts. So ebbs and flows. But Jay's a great dude. Love that dude.
I want to go long.
Are you locked out? I'm gonna whoop your ass.
No, I'm not. I never said I was locked out. I said I was sitting with my emotions.
Okay, that's fair. You did.
I
Okay.
never.
All right.
I never have that.
All right.
But this is what I'm doing. Like, this is just a test, right? This is just a test.
Yeah. I feel.
This is just a test. I'm playing with fire. Don't get it twisted. I'm playing with fire. but I'm
It's
trying to overcome.
yeah.
Trying to overcome.
Yeah, this is such dog shit. This RTY play is doing absolutely nothing and just going fully sideways. I just don't got
That short looks good, bro. I want to
I
take it.
know. I know, it looks decent. Especially that pin in the VWAP just now. Oof. Oof. Oof.
Looks
Oof.
really good for a short, bro.
It does. It
I'm not
does.
gonna I'm not gonna take it, but I want to really bad.
Yeah. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, this is a good short. I think we're gonna hit 440s or 430s.
Such a nice pin bar at really nice pin bar at VWAP on the 5-minute. Look at this. Look at that, dude. Look at that pin.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. It's like, again, just this area is hard. This is like, if you guys are, this is like where you're prone to all getting chopped up. So just be careful here and cautious, everyone, please. Because this could just be fuckery, dude. They could literally bring it. They could bring it down and like until we break this wick down here at 450s, dude. All of this could be considered support in this entire wick, right?
Yeah.
Especially because there's just so much of it. That's the hard part about this. Super difficult here.
Go zoom in again, real quick. That's the sweep right there. Nice little sweep. Entry model. Continue for the short. Up top. Up top.
Here.
Right there. Yeah.
Boom.
And then
boom.
go for the short.
Yeah, I just don't like all this. Again,
Yeah, that's true.
I just think there's too much noise here.
They're buying up a lot right there.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying too. This is the classic choppy price action where like I love to tell myself this: support is support till it's no longer support. Yeah, just because we pin down once doesn't mean it's broken, right? We need clearly sustained closed bars below these areas.
Yeah.
All these tails and wicks tells me indecision. A lot of indecision. So it's really, really tricky in this zone. You also got, if we want to look at the other markets just to kind of like see, YM, pretty nice failure at VWAP starting to reclaim here. Also a pin down here. Let's go like a 30-minute. Look at this sweep, dude, on YM. 30 minutes swept this right here at the lows.
I can't see the volume bars in the way.
Look at this.
Nice.
Swept right here, barely. Now we're trying to get back above. This is almost a retest of this line. I don't know if it's ever going to get there, but look how many times we've like swept these lows. We're trying to hold. So there's that on YM, which is starting to look good. Here's RTY, which, you know, I got involved with. Similar, this is super sideways, like where it is on the daily, but it's small cap summer, boys. So I'm bullish on RTY. Just a lot of consolidation here. If this can somehow fucking rocket ship up, that's what I would want to see.
I think it will.
It might, dude. We might just fucking ripstick it. I don't know.
I would take that long right there and then put my stop like it's like 2170.
2170
Yeah.
down here.
A little bit right there.
Yeah, but this is the daily chart.
Oh, shit.
that's like a that's an insane swing. Yeah, for a swing, probably fantastic.
yeah, for sure. Yeah, I didn't know that was the daily.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the daily.
That's the daily, dog. Okay, so we got all these hourlies. Again, like I'm just bullish on RTY, which could totally fuck me over. But now look at this. Let's go to the 5-minute. A lot of mess. But look at down into view up, hold, down into view up, hold. We just got to get up through here. I'll put an alert so you guys can hear it if it goes off.
I don't want to take the long right now. I want to.
I know now you want to take the long.
Should I take it? Should I take it?
Look at ES. Look at ES.
God, I want to take the
Reclaiming
long.
VWAP. Look at ES reclaiming VWAP. I support you taking the long here in NQ, but your stop has to be below 66.
Chat.
Do it. Do it.
Chat.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Chat.
Do it now if you're gonna do it. This you got 20, you got less than 20 points of risk.
Chat. Say something. Hurry the fuck up. Arr.
Is he gonna do it? 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 Is he gonna do it?
Okay, Jordan said nope. All right, cool.
Pussy. Wow, good for you guys, dude. Fucking good for you guys. See, this is we're not gonna lie, this is the hard part behind entertaining on stream, wanting to do stuff like this, and then sticking to the plan. So
yeah,
you know, look at Jordan. Nope, Taylor, don't do it. Fit Trader, you're thinking too much about it. That's not the confidence to have, dude. You guys are all real ones. You guys are fucking real ones, dude.
Yeah.
Good. That's what we want the stream to be about, though. Is like, yeah, we'll entertain here and there, but we're not just fucking blowing accounts to blow accounts or anything stupid. Like we're trading. This is our income. We're trading to make money, and then we're also trying to teach you guys a thing or two and just walk through price. So that's why I have a side account to full port and be a fuckhead on. So it's like, you know, it's different. Let's get some locks in the chat for Lawrence. Also, me send it. Lawrence needs another account for streaming. A little fun side account, dude.
Yeah.
You should get like some sort of side account. Maybe with like, well, one you have to not care about at all.
I have a blue sky account.
Like me with this one. Like I don't give a fuck about this thing. This thing could go to zero. This thing could literally go to zero. It's Tick Trader's money, not mine. I already extracted for them.
Mm-hmm.
This was probably this was a cool little run I had though with Asia trading them. Like I think I took over $10,000 in payouts from Tick. Then they moved me to a live account with 15K. I took another like I think $3,000 to $4,000 in payouts in the live account. And then now it's like, dude, I actually got this down to $1,000 at one point and then built it back up to 6. And then yesterday I was just being a dumbass and dropped down to 3. So I think the only thing I'm thinking about now, since they changed that policy though, I'm like, fuck, I can take real money from this now at this point. So I'm like, but I only can take $500. So, but now this is looking like I want to fully stick to this kind of though. That's the problem. I want to see this through. I want to see all of this through FOMC. I really do. I really, really do. I just feel like everyone expects a pullback, and for that exact reason, we're not going to get a pullback. But
cutting rates.
Yeah, well, that's the thing too. FOMC loves to manipulate first, so I'm really afraid they might dump this all the way down to here, take me out, take all this out, then pop or some crazy shit. But now, look, we're going higher. Look at this. Okay. Oh, now we're really just got a big old push.
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful push here. There we go. Up 700 on that push. RTY to the sky. Small cap summer.
Small cap. I was about to say that. Small cap summer.
Small cap summer, baby. Small cap summer. Give me 2,300 today. Give me 2,300. That'd be $7,000, and we'd be back. We'd be back in the ball game, ladies and gentlemen. We'd be back in the ball game. NQ looking good, coming off support 23,477. Yep, it is back into 500s. Let's share this one. Look at this. ES back through VWAP. NQ. Here's that push back above VWAP. We do got 500 though. Still probably a lot of fuckery in this area. YM looking really beautiful. I think this thing wants all-time highs from FOMC. I really think it does.
The last time YM had all-time highs?
It just barely tapped it. Actually, no. We got a little bit of room to go on this contract specifically. 46 290s. So, but it's right, dude. Like, it's right there. It's like this would engulf this. That would be real nice. It's right there.
Jordan said,
Definitely
look at NQ now.
look at NQ. What, like the 5 minute?
Yeah, 5 minute, 2 minute.
Pin back down into VWAP here.
I mean, it doesn't look bad.
Doesn't look bad. It looks really good for a move back up towards 525s. Not bad. This whole range has just been tough. Super, super tough.
It was.
Really, really tricky. Look at NQ now, Lawrence.
I know, right?
That's the jab, dude. That's the jab.
Yeah.
You should have taken it.
No,
Should have did it. Should have stood
Shoulda,
on
coulda,
business.
woulda. Your three best friends in trading: shoulda, coulda, and woulda. Oh, ES, bro. Because YM's ripping. I want RTY to be the silent killer. Just fucking buy it all up. Rip stick.
Ripper.
Wow, look at this. Real nice here, dude. Clarity of price comes with time.
Clarity of price do come with time.
This thing is just, look at that bar. What a nice, sexy green bar, dude. Great bar.
No wicks. That's what I like. Straight body. Double engulfings.
Price is pushing to the downside on TradingView, but not on top one. This is connected to TradingView. Literally, this right here is TradingView. It's like it's an integration.
It's an API.
Yeah, so it should look exactly the same.
I mean, I knew that long was going to go. I decided to choose discipline over profit this time.
Dude, God bless you. Like I said, it's amazing.
Because that was an obvious long, Tanner.
Looked good. I know. It looked really good. I once we pinned down into 470 and held, I was like, damn, this looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. Looks pretty good.
He said, are you paying for data? Otherwise, it's delayed. Oh, that's for Jordan. Yeah, that is true. That is true.
Well,
like real-time data and TradingView, right?
You got well, maybe Jordan, are you paying for data? That's what it probably is, Jordan.
Yeah, no, that's what exactly.
Yeah, okay. I thought he meant in top one or like in Project X. I was like, nah.
Oh, no,
They got to give that shit to us real time. Damn, dude, push. Look at this push, dude. Wow.
Yeah, bro.
See how much FOMO we have, dude. How's RTY doing? How's my We're up $800.
Let's go.
Real money. Real 800. A real $800.
Real thing.
Fuck, dude. This is gonna make me want to fucking take this off and not be greedy and actually put $500 in my pocket. No, I got to see this all the way through. Fuck that. I'm holding it all the way through FOMC. I'm telling you, 2,300.
I want it.
I want it all. I want it all. I'm in my greedy era.
This is what we do. We're here to make money.
All three are pushing. We have team effort, team push, as Chan would say. Chan, if you're out there, team push. Dude, the YM looks fantastic. I really think they want to rip YM into the ceiling. I just don't feel like we're done, dude. Like I think FOMC, I don't know. I could always be totally wrong. So to clarify, TradingView is delayed because I'm not paying for data. Yes. Top one delayed. No, top one's not delayed. Whenever you sign up for prop firms, any prop firm, they pay for the data in order for you to trade in real time. Otherwise, the firm wouldn't be in business. It wouldn't work. So if you don't pay for data on TradingView, it's for sure like it's real time data on TradingView that you're getting That's not real time. So, all right, let's what was I just gonna look at? I was just gonna look
What
at
the
something.
fuck? That fire alarm is going off in here. Hold on.
Your girl like to play
Ouch.
some fire?
They stopped. It must have been a drill. I mean, not a drill, like a test.
Oh, it's like your apartment complex.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, they did that shit one time at like 9 o'clock at night,
Oh.
and we all have it in our fucking like inside our rooms. And oh my god, it was like my first time experiencing that in this new building since I lived here. And I walked outside, and everyone's just like, "Yeah, this happens once every like 8 to 10 months." And I'm like, "That's awful."
God awful.
Jordan, wow, this is news to me. Is that why I use Thinkorswim, Tanner? Yeah, I've just always used Thinkorswim. I'm just used to it, dude. Like I just like, yeah, the data is real time in Thinkorswim, and you don't have to pay for it technically as long as you have a brokerage account. And I'm just used to Thinkorswim. Honestly, I've just never switched over because I didn't see a need to. Thinkorswim is great. I have no problems with it. I have no issues with it. I like it. So for me, it was just like, why pay extra money for TradingView when I get all the TradingView visuals and stuff I want trading with Top One? But what I actually see, like my eyes, what I'm always accustomed to looking at, is on Thinkorswim. That's why. Pullbacks are holding on the old RTY machine. Nice job. Nice job. Everyone, check out Top One Futures. They do have the 55% off sale if anyone's watching and you haven't been a part of this. For the instant funded accounts, the ones that I'm using, they have no intraday trailing drawdown. So I'm a huge fan of those because I just don't really like the intraday trailing drawdown. So this would be the closest thing you're going to get to like a real, you know, obviously they do have the consistency rule. It is 20% consistency, but that's the price you pay with going straight to funded. But if you use this link and use code STRONG, it's literally 55% off, and all in, it's $404 for a 150K account. For reference, if you get Top Step accounts, it's $150 for the combine. It's $150 for the activation fee. And that's assuming that's $300 all in, assuming you pass it on your first try. Some of you blow accounts. I know it. I've been there. We all blow accounts. So you can literally pay $100 more to go straight to funded and not be stressed about that. So that's why I'm a fan of these. Definitely check them out. Link is there in the chat. Use code STRONG. Go check it out.
Nice little pump here.
Nice little pump, dude. Nice pump skis right here. We have near-term volume point of control on RTY right above this at 22 at 70s. Right above it here at 70s. We got this near-term VPOC. So
Sometimes I have my doubts about MicroStrategy.
what's it doing now?
It's below 400.
Well, dude,
It's
we
at 398.
fucking we can do some. Let's do some TA on that shit, dude. I'm gonna pull that up.
Because my thing is, if they just acquired another $2 billion worth of Bitcoin, right?
Always, every day.
Yeah, they're just buying that shit. So my thing is, if Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs, why haven't MicroStrategy reached all-time highs yet?
Because they're not.
Because the value of
You
the
got to remember,
company,
it's not just Bitcoin. Like it's still a company, and sometimes stuff just doesn't make sense, right? In the market. Though they have earnings when
their earnings always
tomorrow.
never
They got earnings tomorrow, dude.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Honestly, I will say this could come retest 340s, which is the 200 period moving average right here. So that's a possibility. But look at this, dude. This is so bullish. Every time it's come down into here, it's fucking held.
Yeah,
This
for
is
sure.
so bullish. Like, let's go bigger picture. Let's go weekly on this. Okay, you got the 21 down here, which is 365. This would be a good retest point. We barely swept here, then started to pull back again, which isn't the best. TA wise, Yeah, this is just yeah, but this is pulling back because hasn't Bitcoin pulled back the past like quite a few days?
The past few days, yeah. But I would think this is what, and this is like the thing is, MicroStrategy is leveraged. So if Bitcoin 2x's by default, MicroStrategy should at least like 4x minimum.
Yeah.
It's leveraged, bro.
I mean, good
So
thing
I'm like,
you're in shares, so it's like
yeah, I could just hold it forever. But my thing is
yeah.
like, why this is my thing. Why have we not passed all-time high? What was all-time high? What month is that? What year is that?
That is 11/4. What is this? 11/21. What year is this?
Let me see. It's November 2024.
Okay, 2024. Yeah.
Yeah, November 2024. It's
It
fucking
just looks
2025.
like it's accumulating, dude. Like this is I don't think you got anything to worry about, especially your bigger
But why
picture.
hasn't it hit all-time highs though? That's what I'm getting at. Why
That
has it
yeah,
not?
that's a little sus. I get
That's
that.
all
I
I'm
get that.
saying.
I get that.
Yeah, man.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong.
But yeah, because I'm like, why haven't we hit that shit? So
Yeah. Holy shit, I'm up $1,300
I
on
love it. I
RTY.
fucking love it.
Great.
I hope you make like 10 fucking
10
million.
racks.
Yeah, 1,000.
10 million fucking
Yeah.
bajillion thousand.
Yeah.
That would definitely put me back in the ball game. If this goes to 2,300, like I'm thinking,
hmm
fuck, dude, that would be real nice, man. That'd be real nice. Let's go ahead and pull it up. Let's pull it up on my other charts of what I want to show you guys. This is what my eyes actually see. Okay. Let's go to IWM first. So I like to always look through both of them. I like to look through the index itself and then also the futures name. So again, really big picture. Let's zoom out fat here. A lot of lines, a lot of junk, I know. Push into highs here, really died because this thing really over exaggerates its death. But look at this accumulation here, right? On the weekly. Like this is pretty nice here. This could be a really strong close up here towards like 230s. Like this target looks inevitable to me. Back into 230s here. In 230s, what does that equate? So this is the weekly here. Let's go to RTY. That equates into 23. God, 23.29s. Really high up there. So definitely won't get that today, but that's why targeting up here into 2,300. Like, dude, that's super plausible. Super plausible. So this is what I like here. Okay, look at this. 200 period moving average. Popped above it, retest, pin, retest, and now the 21 period moving. I only have 2 moving averages on here that I care about. I do have the 9. My eyes literally don't even see that anymore, but it's this 200 and the 21. Rule of thumb I learned from Taylor Horton and Chandler Horton, all those guys. They're really big on this 21 period moving average because when we do have momentum stuff like this, near term, it should pull back to here, and that's like the reset, quote unquote. It needs to like come back here and breathe. It's super healthy for that to happen. So literally, we pinned into it yesterday. We opened up here at it today. So I could definitely see this engulfing all of this, right? Like into 2297, into 2300 with FOMC. And then now look at us on the 5-minute. Wow. Look at her push, dude. Look at this bullishness. This is great.
It is a lot of bullishness.
It's a lot of bullishness, man. It's a lot of bullishness. We're going to see this through. We're going to see this whole fucking thing through. I'm going to be flying by the seat of my pants into 2300 for all you guys. And just send it.
Send that shit. Who's calling my shit?
Trade Zealot glitching again. Tried to log everything. What's it doing? Just like, a bunch of duplicates. It might be with the file you're putting in. Sometimes
He's talking about, he has to clear it. So he has to clear all his trades and then put the updated file in there. Even though at the bottom it'll say, it'll be green, it'll say ignore duplicates. It still just
it's
adds the
still fucked up.
duplicates.
Yeah, you gotta
Yeah.
still add them. Yeah,
You got to clear it and do it again.
yeah.
Just calling this shit.
Alright.
Well, I'm about to head off here, man, because I got to
Yeah,
call in
I think
about
we're just
20
gonna call it.
minutes.
We're just gonna call it. All right. Red day for Lawrence, small, but he was disciplined. That was good. Green day for me. I finally had my first trade be green. And I'm not gonna lie, I felt like that wasn't enough money. $600. I'm like,
You got to
dude,
get the momentum going. You got the
exactly.
momentum going though now.
I needed the win
Yeah.
to get my mental back up. So I'm
Yep.
really, really proud of myself for doing that. It's okay. You guys can be proud of yourself. You know, it's a good thing. So stoked I did that. Stoked I locked it out. One and done. Caught the really nice quick move. Pretty fast, but we'll take $600. Good luck at FOMC, everyone. And when I say that, I mean, don't be a fucking retard. Like, don't trade it. Honestly, it's usually not worth it. Or if you do trade it, it better be with an account that you don't care about and you totally detached from, and you understand that you're more than likely probably going to lose money on it. But if you do make money, cool. It's a little gift. So that's what I'm doing with this Trade of 8 account on the side that I just don't care about. I'm totally just like, whatever. If it doesn't work, doesn't work. It's not going to ruin my day. It's not going to ruin my month. Is what it is. But especially if you're newer to trading, FOMC is a nightmare. I can't tell you how many 0 DTE blowups I've had trading FOMC. So definitely recommend not trading it. Be cautious, be careful. We'll be back tomorrow. And then we'll be live with Austin on Friday. So that's it. Thanks for joining in. Appreciate all you guys.
Peace.